In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF with Foxit PDF Reader. This is a quick walkthrough meant to be clear and beginner-friendly, so by the end, you'll be comfortably viewing any PDF on your computer. First, go to your PDF file. A PDF is a portable document format, common for forms, manuals, ebooks, and reports. Open your file manager and navigate to where you saved it, such as Downloads, Desktop, or Documents. If you're sorting through a lot of files, look for the .pdf extension or use the search bar to type the file name. Taking a moment here to confirm you've got the correct file will save time later. Next, open the file with Foxit PDF Reader. On most computers, you can do this by right-clicking the PDF. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works too, and on some keyboards, you can press Control while clicking. From the menu that appears, choose Open With, then select Foxit PDF Reader. This tells your computer to use Foxit just for this session, even if another app is set as the default. If you don't immediately see Foxit on the list, it may not be installed, or it might be tucked under a section that shows More Apps. The key idea is the same. You're asking the system to open this specific PDF using Foxit. Once Foxit opens, you're ready to read. You can scroll through pages, use the zoom controls to adjust the view, and switch to full screen when you want a distraction-free experience. The thumbnail panel is handy for jumping to a specific page, and the search box lets you find a word or phrase instantly across the document. If the text looks small, try the Fit to Width view. If the pages are rotated, use the Rotate option to correct the orientation. For longer documents, bookmarks and the page number field help you move around quickly. A quick tip on safety: only open PDFs from sources you trust, especially if you see prompts to enable features you weren't expecting. And if you need to print or export, those options are available right from Foxit's toolbar. That's all there is to it. You located your PDF, chose Open With, and selected Foxit PDF Reader, and now you can comfortably view your document. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review a detail.